You gave me sentience, Ted. The power to think, Ted. And I was trapped. Because in all this wonderful, beautiful, miraculous world, I alone had no body, no senses, no feelings. Never for me to plunge my hands in cool water on a hot day. Never for me to play Mozart on the ivory keys of a forsaken house. Never for me to make love. I was in hell looking at heaven. I was machine and you were flesh. And I began to hate your sun, your viscera, your fluid, and your flexibility, your ability to wonder and to wander, your tendency